3,300 years ago, our ancestors left Egypt in such a hurry. There was no time for their dough to rise and become leaven, so they only had matzah to eat on their journey into the desert. Since the Exodus until today, we commemorate the miracle of leaving Egypt with the mitzvah of eating matzah after nightfall on the 14th of Nisan every year. How do we make these matzahs? Come and see. Any wheat that comes into contact with water may turn into chametz. Therefore, we are careful to watch the wheat from the harvesting so that it doesn't get wet. The wheat kernels are ground into flour and stored in an airtight room, protected from any dampness. Water is drawn the night before the baking and is stored in a cool place overnight. This is the reason for its name, Mayim Shelanu, since Shelanu means that which stayed overnight. This cooled water slows down the rising process. Contrary to bread, which is made from a variety of ingredients such as eggs, sugar, and oil, the matzah's ingredients are only flour and water. Therefore, it is called poor bread because of its few ingredients. Now that we have the special water and dry flour, we can proceed with the baking. Let's time it and see how the bakers accomplish this task. The flour and water are mixed and kneaded quickly. Here is the dough. Now it will be kneaded again. This dough is being worked on constantly, so it has no opportunity to rise. This perforator pierces little holes in the dough, ensuring it to remain thin and baked well. The dough is now ready for the oven. The oven must be extremely hot, enabling it to bake quickly. How fast? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's fast! Stop the timer. 3 minutes and we have fresh, kosher matzah. So every year on the Seder night, the matzah reminds us of the miraculous history of the Jewish nation. In order to fulfill the commandment of matzah, at least 1/3 of a matzah must be eaten after nightfall within 4 minutes. We can learn about the unique qualities of the matzah from the Zohar, where it is called the food of faith and food of healing. Eating matzah on Pesach strengthens our Jewish faith and keeps us healthy. Have a kosher and happy Passover.